how to add name tag in Roblox Studio. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add name tag on Roblox Studio. So first of all, you have to make a new billboard GUI in workspace like this one, under workspace section and camera, terrain, base plate, and the last section is name tag. Once you're done making the billboard GUI, name it name tag, and then you have to make two text labels, one upper text and one lower text. The upper text will be the player name and the lower text will be the player rank. As you can see from here, you have to click on the plus icon from name tag and make two text labels like lower text, upper text. And then once you're done, design them however you want and move the billboard GUI to replicated storage like game dot replicated storage. And here you can see under the game dot replicated storage the name tag is here. And after that you can make a new script in server script service and script it as you like it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.